We're Tammy and Warren. At the start of COVID, we moved into our truck camper from San Diego and lived at our vintage trailer park in Borrego Springs, Desert Sands Vintage Trailer Park. At the beginning of 2021, we bought McLeod RV Park and moved up there for the summer in our truck camper. We had such an incredibly busy and fun summer, we decided to take the winter off and headed to Baja. Follow us on our adventure. Just got up at 6:30 in the morning. The sun is out, the tide is high, it's flat water. I'm sitting here doing the month-end billing for Desert Sands Vintage Trailer Park, and it's just absolutely surreal that I'm sitting here doing work, listening to the waves lap on the shore like 50 feet behind me. Ooh, tequila. They have a pretty good selection of fruits and vegetables. I mean, not greens, but...
These are the nice ones.
Look, these are whole wheat.
Oh, no ways. Okay.
That makes you happy, right? A lot of the grocery stores have to have generators because the power goes out a lot and they don't want to waste all their stuff in the refrigerators. I get bored kind of quick, so I do bring I bring a few projects with me when we go away. So right now what I'm doing is I'm hard mounting this 12-volt pump underneath the truck. About a year ago I put this thick battery cables all the way to the battery, and I put these connectors so you could put multiple wires in here. And the reason for this pump is in Baja we boondock a lot, so we have a big portable tank. And this is the way to transfer water from the portable tank into the camper tank, instead of having to climb under here each time and connect the clips to the battery terminals. This just makes it a lot easier. Bada bing! All right, so now I got the water tank in the truck. I've hooked the garden hose, turned the water on. I've plugged in quick disconnect right here, quick connect out there, and the water comes up there. Hit the switch that I installed, and like magic, pretty sweet. Been in Bahia De Los Angeles for a week now. We were really going to come for a night or two, and this place is so incredible. We're just leaving Camp Archelon, a little restaurant there. It was so good. We just had breakfast. Tammy's following me in the Jeep, so we're going to get water for the camper because I got to drive in and then back up, and I cannot back up with the Jeep. So and then something we've done different this time, we put the boat on the roof of the Jeep, fully assembled. So I just want to watch and drive behind her to see what the boat does, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be just fine, especially behind the camper. There's no wind. There's no wind or turbulence. And I've strapped it down pretty good. And let's just hope for the best. Otherwise, if there's going to be a problem, we may be boatless. We've been going every 2 days to this guy's property who sells us a little bit of water in our portable tank.
I forgot how to use these. Can you hear me?
I hear you fine.
Okay, I'm behind you.
Tammy's on the walkie-talkie. I just want to make sure that I can communicate with her, because just in case something goes wrong with the boat. And here she comes. I guess we'll be safe if there's a flood. I'm really bummed to be leaving this RV park. It's been a real treat. We just topped off the Jeep, and now I found the perfect shady spot right under that tree to hook the Jeep up, because it's pretty damn hot today for the 3rd of December. It's 85 degrees, and doing like physical labor in the heat just kicks my butt. So we're gonna stop in probably Gurerro Negro for the night and then carry on south.
Just left Los Angeles, Bahia De Los Angeles, and it was fantastic. What a great week. We just didn't want to leave, but it was time to go. Move on, and now we are getting onto the one freeway, and we are headed towards Gurerro Negro, and eventually we'll land up in Mulege. I want to go all the way, but Warren wants to stop when it gets dark. It's probably the safer way. So he's the boss, and that's what we'll do.
You never drive in Mexico in the dark.
So we've just entered Baja, California South. Just got to Puerto Negro, and look how pretty it is. Just driving in right now.
A whale skeleton.
Another whale skeleton. Cute little town.
So we've we've been using the iOverlander app, and it's very informative, where people leave reviews about places where they've stayed, and we think we're going to go to this place called Zihhul Campgrounds, and the Zihhul Campgrounds and Knife Shop. That's a good combo. Leaving after a sleepless night of people partying next door.
Oh my God! If their music was good, it would have been different, but it was really bad until 5 o'clock this morning.
No reflection on the RV park, but
No.
It's out of his control. We're just rolling into the town of San Ignacio. We're not going to stop. It's a little oasis town, very green with a nice river running through it.
Our second try.
Or fifth.
Or fifth. We just left Santa Rosalia, and now we're on our way to Mulege, but we found this cute little place here. We're going to try out their tacos. Love the stones inside.
I think we hit the jackpot for this spot. The shrimp are massive. Wow. How cool is this that they have their own lime trees over there? Probably just pick them and put them straight in the margaritas.
Mm-hmm. To a different RV park, and look how small these streets are. Look how narrow it is, and only the camper is fitting on this street. So we just arrived at the RV park. It's really cute. It's called Huerta Don Chano, and Warren is going to be coming in. Lush it is. So Warren met a new friend at the RV park. There we go.
It's like I didn't know what was wrong. The two one-legged dudes.
The two one-legged guys.